Today, we are witnessing the opening of the third mainland bridge, which has been under rehabilitation for several months. The federal government of Nigeria has done an extraordinary action by the actions taken to bring the longest bridge in West Africa back to its original state. Lagosian are very happy and appreciative of the federal government efforts in bringing the bridge to its latter glory. Rebranding the bridge will bring succor to the pains of the numerous drivers that ply the bridge, by lessen the huge traffic on everyday traveling. The federal government applauds the cooperation and patience of the Lagos state residents displayed during this work. Work still going on in the area of street light being introduced to lighten the bridge in the night. The federal government will be installing solar energy lights and CCTV cameras on the bridge to forestall criminal activities on the bridge.
Third mainland bridge will be opened for public use, while the remaining works like the solar light installation and CCTV installations are ongoing. He also directed that the remaining ongoing works will not disrupt the flow of traffic. He further said that the bridge deck works will be completed by May 2024 and will be commissioned by the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. The Honorable Minister of Works would further like to thank the Action Governor of Lagos State for his assistance in the management of traffic during the rehabilitation works. The Honorable Minister is grateful to Nigerians, especially the Lagosians, for their cooperation and assistance. Has assisted us greatly in rehabilitating this bridge. The Minister remains indebted to all the staff of the Federal Ministry of Works, especially the Director of Bridge Rehabilitation. Lastly, the Honorable Minister assures that the ongoing under-deck and underwater works will not disrupt traffic flow and will strengthen the integrity of the bridge when completed. Signed by the Honorable Minister. I want to stand on this pedestal and I would like to warmly thank President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for his commitment to the provision of infrastructure development of Nigeria. Indelible one for that. He's not just committed to providing infrastructures, he's committed to providing indelible ones that will remain in the minds of the people of Nigeria, even years after he's left the office. Because without his commitment, this project would not have become a reality. Without his utmost support, he supported the ministry all the way. It has never been done like this. Most of the times what we have is a release of money, you understand, in an energetic manner. But this one, the release of funds was done 100%. He was committed to the total rehabilitation of the bridge without minding the cost. He had the money and is willing to spend. I want to say thank you, Mr. President, for this generous support. I would like also to thank my able and indefatigable, very hardworking Honorable Minister of Works, in person of Honorable Senator, His Excellency Rebranding. His commitment to the completion of this work is second to none. You will agree with me that he came to Lagos more than any other person.
Oyinbo, Ekolowa Oyinbo, Oyinbo, why you speaking Oyinbo? Oyinbo, you dey Lagos Oyinbo. If I carry you go banana, my guy, you go love Lagos. If I carry you go to Lagosian, you go love Lagos. If I carry you go Niru, my guy, you go love Lagos. Sepe see the police, Governor Ambode Kofoshi, helicopter low for looking. You cannot deny, you no see. Fada kérésì làwọn tèmi ṣá, ọmọ wọn kérésì wọlé bá. kó dùn kó pọ̀ kó pẹ́ làwọn tèmi ṣá. Ìtẹ̀síwájú Èkó làwọn tèmi wá. It never finish, ọlọ́pàá don get new motor. It never finish, èyí tẹ̀rí yẹn ò ti pọ̀ tó. Òyìnbó, Èkó ló wá òyìnbó. Òyìnbó, why you speaking òyìnbó? Òyìnbó, you dey Lagos òyìnbó. If I carry you go Ikeja my guy, you go love Lagos yo. If I carry you go Badagry my guy, you go love Lagos yo. If I carry you go to Lagos Island, you go love Lagos yo. Ele jabo, ele tiko, ele bàjẹ́ no. Central of excellence lẹ́wà in case you don't know. Bijaye, ni male, ni jaye, ni bele, ni jaye. Káàkiri ló bá sún mi máa lọlé. Riding through my city, and now hustle in my city, and now made it in my city, and now God bless my city, and now. Òyìnbó, Èkó ló wá òyìnbó. Òyìnbó, why you speaking òyìnbó? Òyìnbó, you dey Lagos òyìnbó. If I carry you go Korodu my guy, you go love Lagos yo. If I carry you go to Ẹ̀pẹ́ my guy, you go love Lagos yo. If I carry you go VGC my guy, you go love Lagos yo. Sẹpẹsẹpẹ see the police, Governor Ambode Okofoshi, helicopter ló fò lókè. You cannot deny you no see. Sẹpẹsẹpẹ see the police, Governor Ambode Okofoshi, helicopter ló fò lókè. You cannot deny you no see.